Okay, this is a packet tracer video on configuring a multi-router EIGRP network, packet tracer 6.2.3, and we'll be configuring a multi-router EIGRP network. There's 4 pages to this. The first 3 pages is where you, on paper, figure out your IP addresses. And the second page, network requirements, and keep in mind that the IP addresses will be needed for each LAN interface on each router. And page 3, you determine the subnet information for your largest network segments, assign the subnet to the R1 LAN. So we're going to start on page 4, and I have gone ahead and put this information in Notepad to make this video a little bit shorter and simplify things. So I currently have my router 1 configurations with my interface IP addresses, router 2 interfaces, router 3, and then after we do all that, we'll go back into the routers and we'll configure our EIGRP for each one. And hopefully when we get this all done, we'll have 100% on this video. So the first thing we're going to do is go into router 1. As you can see, we have no connectivity out here just between each router. So we're going to go into the CLI, and I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this in here, and this just really simplifies my life. And so then we're going to do a Control C. Okay, we're going to minimize that. We're going to go into router 2, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go down here. We're going to copy and paste this information in here and do a Control C. Okay, then we're going to go to router 3, and we're going to do the same thing there. It's nice to do it this way, especially right now because I do not feel good at all. So this just, like I said, simplifies everything for me. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to see where my percentage is. Okay, I'm at 60%, which at the end of page 3, or the end of page 4, I should be at 60%. So that's all good and fine. And page 5 is where we configure the EIGRP on each one, the routing protocol. So we'll go back in, and like I said, I've got all that on my notepad here. And we'll go to router 1. And we'll copy this over here. That puts my networks on there. Copy, paste. Okay, Control C. Whoops, I don't want that. Ding dong. Okay, that's router 1. Router 2, we'll do the same thing. Copy, paste, Control C. Okay, and router 3, we'll once again do the same thing. And when I'm done with this, I should have 100%. Control C. Okay. I can, whoops. Why is that? Okay, we are sitting at 100%, but we need to do the show IP route. We can see that what networks are advertised, your directly connected and your connected ones. We'll go into router 1. We'll do show IP, IP route. Maybe. Okay, we got our connected and our directly connected. So if we compare that one with this one, so this shows all of our routes shown in our routing table. And that, my friend, concludes this activity. We will check our results. All is well here. So I thank you for watching my video of configuring a multi-router EIGRP network, packet tracer 6.2.3. Thank you.